Feeling stuck about what kind of content you should be creating? You're not alone. My best advice is to start by thinking about who you're talking to. Are you talking to people who've never heard of you before and you want to introduce yourself? Or are you talking to people who already know you and follow you and you want to bring them down the funnel into your business? I talk more about that framework in this video, but let's start with people who've never heard about you and you need to introduce yourself for the first time. The key here is to educate or entertain or offer some kind of value so that people will want to follow and hear more from you. The way I do that in my business is, videos like this right now. I share marketing tips, starting a business tips, and actually mostly tips for growing your business on Google to show that I'm a trustworthy and reliable source of this information. You are not selling, you are introducing. If you were to show to a first date, you don't say, "Hi, my name is Jill, let's go make out." Well, probably not, right? No, you say, "Hi, my name is Jill, I'm from Toronto, what's your name?" etc. Introducing yourself so they want to get to know more about you. Whereas if someone already likes you, you can go a little further down the funnel. That's where I might offer, for example, more in-depth tutorials about Google Ads to really demonstrate my expertise. Or I may mention my upcoming Google Ads course. It's still not a hard sell, but you're showing more kind of features and benefits and reasons why someone might be interested in working with you or buying your products or whatever it might be. Think of this as like the third or fourth date. Only once you've earned someone's trust is it okay to try to sell to them, to say, "Hey, here's what I offer, here's why you should buy from me, go right there, let's seal this deal." I hope this helps.